Navajo people call these piñons and they are eaten like sunflower seeds, but before they are cooked and eaten, they look sandy and dirty. They have to be separated from rocks and sticks from being picked off the ground. Then they are washed with dish soap to remove the sand and germs so nobody gets sick when they are eaten. After rinsing off the soap, they're put into a skillet to dry out and to roast. Latoya Black says piñons can only be picked every few years on the reservation.
We would pick the piñons every 4 to 5 years when the cones would open up on the pine trees and they would fall to the ground.
Getting piñons is time consuming, having only a freezer bag full at the end of a day.
Just pick up the piñons, either put it into a bag or a little canister and just save them that way. And for a whole day's worth, you can pick like a whole bag of piñons.
When they are roasted, salt is added for more flavor. To find them in stores, just ask for pine nuts.